Hi, hello. Today I will show you how to install the OmniOS on the VMware workstation. It's no matter what, a VMware workstation running on the Windows or the VMware Fusion running on the Mac OS. The installing the OmniOS on the VMware was a little bit tricky because of some bugs on the OmniOS, and we had to add the virtual floppy drive to the VMware during the installation on OmniOS. Okay, I will start the installation of the OmniOS. The first, I will start the installation of OmniOS without the add the floppy drive, so we can see what happened and the bugs absolutely on the OmniOS. Okay, I had the VMware Fusion version 7 and this running on the Yosemite, and I'll create a new virtual machine starting from the disk or image, and I will choose this image on the OmniOS release 15, 10 and 12. Okay, I'll continue and I will pick the Solaris 11 64 byte. Okay, I think it's the default first. Finish, then I will give the name of Omni Fusion VMware. Okay, I was starting up the virtual machine so we can see what happens if we do not add the floppy drive to the virtual machine during installation. 2009, so I feel a little bit slowly. Yep, okay, we had to choose the default of the keyboard layout. The default is 47. 47 is the iOS English keyboard. So yeah, I will pick up the default. So I will add the default and I will enter. Great. Host name. Oh no. Okay, the next of the this is the main menu of the installation, the OmniOS. So we had to choose. Yeah, I will choose the installation, the install of OmniOS. So I will choose the number one, and let's see what happened. We choose it. Yep, this is the welcome screen of the OmniOS, and as you can see here, the execute command is not the enter or return key, but the F2, the F2 key to continue and F6 for help and F9 or quit. I will choose the F2 to continue. Here we go. This, I'll take back to the main menu of the OmniOS installation menu. So I'll try again to choose the install of OmniOS and let's see what happens. Yeah, we go back to the OmniOS welcome screen, and I'll try to continue again with F2. And yeah, here we go. We take back to the installation. And this is the bug that on the VMware installation that we mentioned before on the So I will shut down the virtual machine for shutdown, and yeah, I need to little bit. I will add the floppy drive, and here I've been asked for the floppy image file. So the floppy image file it can be an empty file, but it must be accessed. So I will create it here. Touch the OmniFusion and will appear here, and I will choose it. So yeah, here we go. Here we go. The floppy drive is appear here, and I will save the virtual machine TS to the single file. Apply. Okay, then I will add more drive to simulate the right installation. Okay, same as the single file. Okay, it's ready now, and I will start the virtual machine again. Okay, I will choose the default keyboard layout, and 47 is the US English. Yep, here we go again. The main menu of the installation. I will choose the one and install the OmniOS. Yep, here we go. The welcome menu of the OmniOS. We'll choose the F2, and yep, bring to this scanning on the system. That this is different with before. We get it before, so before we add the floppy drive, it's take to the back to the main menu, and after we add the floppy drive, and we'll take to the syncing this on the system process. Yep, here we go. The scanning this. So we had the two, and yeah. So I will choose the first, the C2D ODO. I will install the OmniOS on this disk. So I will continue with F2, and yeah, use the voltage and computer name. Okay, I will give the name OmniFusion and continue. Region, I'm in Indonesia, I'm in Asia, and I'm in Indonesia, and the Java and Sumatra is my time zone. So yeah, it's true. Okay, the installation progress was started. Yeah, it's finally it's complete. So yeah, we'll choose the F8 to the reboot this virtual machine. Yep, it's finally it's uh, finished, and I will log in with the root. The default of the OmniOS is the root and the passwordless, and so I will log in with the root and with the password. So it will bring me to the shell. And yeah, by default is the OmniOS is doesn't automatically recognize that the network interface, so we had to add the network interface manually. I will I will check what my NIC recognized by the OmniOS, and with the command SDLRDM show page physically, and here we go. I had the E 1000 GO, and yeah, the device is E1000GO. So I will create the interface with the IP IDM, and create interface AGO, and I will create the address for the interface. Create a DDR and T uh, DHCP for the interface. Gino. I will name it with the DHCP. So, yep, here we go. Yeah, it's finally. What? Oh, it's the NAT. It's a NAT address for the. Must be. Oh yeah. I will make it bridging with my. So okay. Yep. Here we go. And then I will add the name server. Okay. Echo the name server 8888 to which way etc resolve.conf. I will the copy CPS etc and switch.conf to the dock. OCP, etc, NSS, which dot the DNS and the conf. Yep, the live. Yep, that's it. The installation of the OmniOS on the VMware Workstation. And see you again. Bye bye.